Thunderstorms after. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 159, effective until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 159 has been issued from 10:10 a.m. until 6 p.m. for the following counties: in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Here is the
Here we go.
The
Countdown's on.
stage is 4.2 feet at 7 a.m. Sunday.
10, 9,
For the
8,
Delaware River
7,
at Trenton, the
6,
observed stage was 9.03 feet at 7 a.m.
3,
Saturday.
2,
The forecast
1.
stage is 9.1 feet at 7
Relay.
a.m. Sunday. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 160, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Mercer, and Warren, and the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Philadelphia, and Schuylkill. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 160 has been issued from 3:05 p.m. until 9 p.m. for the following counties: in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Mercer, and Warren, and the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Philadelphia, and Schuylkill. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
I can't go to the bathroom in peace.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Montour County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, until 3:45 p.m.
Damn.
At 3:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Indiantown Gap, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lycans around 3:10 p.m. Tower City, Williamstown, and Clingerstown around 3:20 p.m. Shamokin, Fairview, Ferndale, and Marshallton around 3:30 p.m. Coltman, Mount Carmel, and Nobles Grove around 3:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Edgewood, Gratz, Muir, Espine, Orwin. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Danville and Bloomsburg Light Street exits, specifically for mile markers 225 to 233. This includes Interstate 81 between mile markers 85 and 87, between mile markers 92 and 95, and for mile markers 108 to 109. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lebanon, and Schuylkill. The current time is 3.
Fuck it, boys!
Forget it. They're probably on the way already, so.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m.
Yeah, that's where we
At
are.
4:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Myerstown to near Coreyville, moving north at
Yeah,
60
we're gonna have to
miles
jump
per hour.
first.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail.
Just follow the
Source,
directions.
radar indicated.
Right now.
Yeah.
Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Wyomissing, Birdsboro, Kutztown, Hamburg, Fleetwood, Singing Spring, Royaldale, Womelsdorf, Wintersville, Robisonia, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Burnville, Lyons, Strausstown, Lenhartsville, New Morgan, Spring Ridge, and Fairview Heights. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 300. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 43.
Yep, I see
Interstate
it.
176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. Here is the regional weather forecast.
Can't talk. Let's go! SVR!
Yeah, I was hoping for a tour, but that's your own do, my friend.
For us.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Berks County in eastern
Yep,
Pennsylvania,
where we are.
Lehigh County in
Pull
eastern
over.
Pennsylvania, Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania
Let's
until
go.
5:30 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Snyder's to near Birdsboro, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Holy sh!
Damn, brother.
You wanna pull out a little bit?
Maybe.
Power lines is possible.
Where?
The side of the road?
Lehighton, Palmerton, Kutztown, Jim, Slavington,
Go.
Fleetwood, Nesquehoning, Weatherly, Walnutford, Topton, Valley, Bechtelsville, Lyons, New Manning, Neff,
Do a bit of a tree shit here.
Hamilton, Colesville. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 55 and 97. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 38 and
You
55.
dare me to go out there?
Interstate
I'm gonna get my jacket on.
between mile markers 200.
I have my sweater. I'll get out and
For your protection, move to an interior.
after the alert's done, I'll go out with you.
Damn, brother.
Storm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Carbon, and Lehigh.
Ah, being in the safety of my pond.
You ready? We got flooding! 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 Very heavy rainfall! Very heavy rainfall! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Very heavy rainfall! Woohoo! There's flooding! There's flooding! There's flooding! It is an SVR for Northampton, Hunterdon.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, West Central Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, North Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Eastern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania,
big one.
Eastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 4:52 p.m.,
Alright,
a
what's he
severe
doing?
thunderstorm was located over Eaglesville, or near Easton, moving north
Should we
at
get out?
45
Should we
miles
get out
per hour.
ahead of the line?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
East.
Impact,
to where?
minor damage to
Go back.
vehicles
Let's
is
try to get into
possible.
Allentown.
Wind damage to roofs, siding.
Push us to Macungie, okay?
Include Easton,
Yes.
Bethlehem, Forks, East Stroudsburg, Wilson, Blairstown, Bangor, Penn Argo.
Holy Holy we have a little bit of street
A little
flooding.
bit of street flooding here.
I might have to report this to. I'm probably gonna have to MP. Yeah, we go.
Oh, there's a tractor on the road.
Are you serious?
Oh, look out there, buddy.
Watch it! Watch it!
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Sussex, and Warren, and the
Where's
following
that
counties
store?
in Pennsylvania.
Tractor.
Here is the regional.
Lightning
Give
strike.
me some good old lightning.
Mostly sunny. Highs
Watch it.
around Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s.
Yeah! No. It was that one that said it may
The
intensity.
National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Sullivan County in central New York, east central Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bushkill, or 14 miles east of Mount Pocono, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect
Double-header
damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
may or may not have
Bushkill,
just extended that
Monticello,
warning.
Mechanicsburg, Blooming Grove, Bethel, Damascus, Callicoon.
Guys, we're about to get a double header. Let's fucking go.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Cameron, how do you feel about this?
Pretty damn good.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Pike and Wayne, in Sullivan, New York.
3, 2, 1. Double header, baby. Let's go, W. Yes!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, eastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m.
LV,
At 5:30
I
p.m.,
reports 51.
severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stoddardville to Zionsville,
Airport.
moving northeast at 45 miles per hour.
Yeah, we're gonna make it.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Essentially, we're traveling with the line.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Mount Pocono, Bethlehem, Forks, Emmaus, Northampton,
Emmaus.
East Stroudsburg, Tobiana,
Hey, when they say
Helletown,
Emmaus,
Nazareth,
I'm like,
Palmer,
that's a mess.
Bangor, Slatington, Penn Argo, Wind Gap,
man, Bob.
Allenport, and Belfast. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 46 and 56, in between mile markers 81 and 94. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 55 and 69. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 282 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey near mile marker 0. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13.
I'm very shocked at how dry it is on this road.
On the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton.
Look at those clouds. Those are nice clouds.
Look over there.
The following is
Wow, those are pretty. Those are awesome.
Eastern Montgomery and Western Montgomery.
Thingy. Oh wait, it's not.
If it's
The
still
National
raining,
Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Sullivan County in central New York, north central Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania.
Oh!
5 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lake Helixon, or 14 miles east of Honesdale, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter
No, that's too far north.
that's
Source,
like
radar
PA,
indicated
New
on
York
TV.
line.
Impact.
Oh,
3
yeah.
meters to those caught without shelter.
Bit of a flood there.
Homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Harrisburg around 6:20 p.m. Bravo around 6:25 p.m.
Oh, yep.
White Lake and Smallwood around
Yeah, I
6:30.
definitely see where the circulation.
Exchange Trail around 6:35
Give me
p.m.
a second. Let me draw it out.
That 21 storm way up north.
Jeffersonville and White Sulphur Springs around 6:45 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor.
I don't mean to alarm y'all, but there is debris in that.
Oh, there is? Oh, shit. Well,
That's what it looks like to me.
yeah. Is that right there? Rick?
Until 6:45
Yeah,
for the following
down,
counties,
way up north,
Pike,
yeah.
Pennsylvania, and Sullivan.
Right now it looks over Lackawaxen,
No.
Pike County.
Pike County.
Double header.
Okay.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Who? I have no idea. We're gonna find out together. Probably not for here. I don't think. I think it's gonna be down towards Philadelphia area.
Where am I going? I forgot.
The National Weather Service
Philadelphia County is going to be included. Watch.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Sussex County in northwestern
Oh, that's too far.
Warren
That's-
County in
that's too far
northwestern
north.
New Jersey, northwestern Bucks County in
Bucks County?
southeastern Pennsylvania,
Of course.
central Monroe County in
Monroe.
northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern
Northampton?
Pennsylvania,
Northampton?
until 7 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending
Dude, that's
from
two
near
double headers
Skidmore
today.
and Orchard,
Nice.
moving northeast at 45 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour
By
in
the
gusts
time
of
we're
85
there,
mil.
it's-
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs,
Radar.
and power lines is possible.
Give me like a trained weather. Give me a trained weather spotter.
Source train weather spotter.
Forks, East Stroudsburg, Wilson, Washington, Blairstown,
Dude, that's
Pelican,
gotta be on the ground.
Yeah,
Penn Argo,
yeah.
Wind Gap, Belvedere, Harmony, Oxford, Alpha, and Hope. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between
I'm
mile
telling you,
markers
that's-
68 and 76. Interstate
Yeah,
78 in New
no,
Jersey
no, that's
between
what
mile
we are.
marker 0
That's
and
what
5.
we're.
Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 300 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 21.
Yeah, look where the
For your
bottom-
protection,
Give me a
move to
second,
an
I'll just
interior
look.
room on the
I'll
lowest
show you.
floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Sussex and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Monroe, and Northampton.
All right. 1, 2.
Here is the
Nope.
regional weather. For your protection, move to an interior room on the
Okay, it's
lowest
gonna be
floor.
after this.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Pike and Wayne, in Sullivan, New York.
Ready? Not us at Wawa, eating in Wawa, in front of Wawa after storm chasing, and then another one comes in.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, western Mercer County in central New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, east central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gardenville to Palmyra, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Bensalem, Ewing, Willingboro, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Doylestown, Durham, Riverside, Palmyra, Hatboro, Bedminster, Flemington, Jenkintown, Chalfont, Tinicum, and Bordentown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 6 and 6A and near exit 7A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 341 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 25 and 40. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 19. Interstate 195 in New Jersey near mile marker 0.
Oh my god, so many highways.
Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 48 and 50, between mile markers 53 and 61, and between mile markers 70 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Hunterdon, and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. The severe thunderstorm warning for